Everywhere else is full.
Man, get your ugly ass back, man. Oh, I see you don't speak English. What's up, man? You supposed to be on the Brady Bunch, but you didn't make it, didn't it?
I'm Ron, by the way. Ron Weasley.
I don't give a fuck what your name is. Fathead ass nigga, little collar, big coat ass boy. This man ketchup and mayonnaise sandwich head ass. Chinese eating ass nigga. It's ketchup and mayonnaise. You ain't a nigga, you don't understand. Oh, y'all laugh. Oh, look at that black ass nigga. Your Wizard Kelly ass nigga, ugly ass nigga. That boy the Wizard of Oz. Get your fat shoes ass back. Little ankles ass nigga. Oh, I'm finna roast your Who are you?
Dobby, sir. Dobby the
I don't give a damn who you are, little dookie, but you can get your petrified pig and a potato sack looking ass up out of here. My precious, Smeagol looking ass nigga. You look like the dirt ring in a bathtub. Sit your ass down, man. What's up, man? You the only nigga that can't smell what the rock is cooking, can it? Nose is new dude looking ass nigga. 2 holes in a bowling ball nose ass nigga. Sexy skin salamander looking ass nigga. Outlet plug nose ass. Hey, Ron Stoppable, can I ask you a question? Why your skin like that?
Skin?
Yes, your skin make you look like an angry, attractive anteater eating an Angus burger.
Attractive?
I ain't with that gay shit, man. Your freaking fox looking at.
I sense that something is troubling you.
Yes, there is something troubling me. A sexy, secret, cigarette smoking Santa Claus looking ass nigga. You finna do a Newport commercial, ain't it? Boy, you got the beard of a nigga that drink 40-ounce 40s in 40 minutes.
This is a false trail.
And your hair on your head is false, boy. Get your emotional, eager young elephant with erectile dysfunction looking ass up out of here. Sharon! Sharon, where's the toilet? Ozzy Osbourne looking ass nigga. Get your ugly ass off.
Don't you understand? I have to do this.
You don't have to look like Ellen DeGeneres, but you do. Young Lizzie McGuire looking ass nigga. Your crazy ass need help, man.
I don't want your help.
That what you told to the mystery gang, didn't it? Freddie Prinze Jr. looking